Good morning. Good morning and Assalamu alaikum. How are you, my dear students? I hope you all are doing great. This is our English lecture and my name is Rimsha. So before starting, let's talk about how many months in a year. Do you know how many months in a year? Okay, let's just start. How many months in a year? How many months in a year? There are 12 months. How many months in a year? There are 12 months in a year. So repeat the month's name with me. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, and December. As December is the last month, and which month is going on right now? December, and December is the last month of this year. Let's just talk about the season. Do you know which season is going on? First of all, tell me how many seasons we have. We have 4 seasons, and the first season name is spring. Show me your fingers and say it with me. Spring, summer, autumn, winter. Repeat again with me. Spring, summer, autumn, winter. So which season is going on right now? Winter season, and winter is very cold. Right now winter is very cold and the weathers are very freezing. The weather is very freezing nowadays because we have a winter season. Alright, now it's time to revise CVC words. So here I have alphabets keypad. So I will choose the letters from all these alphabets and I will read the words. So all of you tell me the sounds and you have to repeat with me. So what is the sound of this letter? A, P, map. What is this CVC word? Map. Read this word with me. What is the sound of W? W is for watch. Watch. Web. What is this word? Web. Web. Now you will tell me the sound of the letter. Tell me the sound of this letter. Yes. Yes. Yes, very nice. Now blend the sound and read this word. Zip. Zip. The word is zip. Read this word with me. Oh. What is this word? Now blend the sound. Fox. Fox. The word is fox. Now read this word with me. What is the sound of U? U is for umbrella. Umbrella. T. Nut. The word is nut. Let's read this word together. Fan. Fan. Okay, now read this word. You will read this word. Now read this word and tell me the sounds. The sound of letter H. The sound of letter E. And the sound of letter N. What is the sound of letter N? Okay, so what is this word? Blend the sounds and read this word. Hen. Hen. Let's read this word together. E. X. Fix. E. X. Fix. Now read this word. L. O. G. Log. The word is log. L O G. Log. Let's read this one now. R. A. G. R A G. Rug. The word is R A G. Rug. Okay, that's it from CVC words. Now I hope that you all know how to read 3-letter words. Now it's time to write alphabets. Letter U, V, W, X, Y, Z. So all of you take your pencil and take your notebook or any paper, 4-line paper, and you will write these letters with me. So all of you take your pencil and paper and write with me letter U. So you have to start from skyline, come down and make a curve and go up to the skyline again. This is capital U and this is small u, and we will write small u in grass lines just like that, and we have to make a curve. U. Now write V with me, letter V. Start from the skyline, come down, make a tilt line, and from the grass line go up and make another tilt line. Let me erase this one. This is quite okay. Now write it again. Make a tilt line like this. Capital V and small v is the same. You have to make 2 tilt lines in grass line. U, V, and now let's come to W. How we write W? Start from the skyline, come down to the grass line, then go up, make 1 V, and from this here you have to make another V. So 2 V's together make W. Same for small v, small w, make it like that. Join 2 V's together, it makes W. Now write X. Make a tilt line from skyline to grass line and make another tilt line and join it here in the middle. X. Capital X and small x. Small x should be in the grass lines. Okay, now come to Y, letter Y. How we write letter Y? First of all, you have to make a tilt line. Make a tilt line, and then from here, from skyline, you have to make half tilt line, just like that. This is capital Y. And how we write small y? You have to make a curve, like you write small u in 2 grass lines, and you have to come down and you have to touch the root line. So do you see here, small y just touch the root line, and the last letter is very easy. Make a sleeping line, make 2 sleeping lines and join from one to another, Z, and write small z. Capital Z and small z is the same. This is how we write letters. So all of you revise and reinforce all these letters. Letter U, V, W, X, Y, Z. So that's it from today's class, but I have a story for you. The story name is Believe in Yourself. So I will attach the link in Google Classroom so you can watch it on YouTube. So until then, take care and Allah Hafiz.